find the value of square root of this 13 plus 4 root 3. Have you remembered? We have discussed this kind of question. This is given in your guideline, the published guide. We have to find the value of this. There are so many questions, so I'm giving you for your practice also. You can do as your practice. Find the square root of 9 minus 4 root 2. Question number 8. Find the value of square root of 8 plus 2 root 15. Find the square root of 76 plus 10 root 3. I think this is enough, right? Okay, so please try. Anyone? You can ask in this way also. Question number 11. If x is equals to 38 plus 5 root 3, then find the value of square root of x. The same thing they are asking. Find the square root of 139 minus 80 root 3. Okay, so let us see this question number 6 now. What we have to do, basically one thing is clear that anyhow we have to write this expression as a whole square. Something whole square I want to write this, isn't it? Then only you can cancel out this square root and square, right? So obviously I will try to write either it's a plus b whole square, or you may try to write it in a minus b whole square. But which will be applicable? It is decided by the sign of this, right? So since this is the positive sign, so I will try for this one. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
So
it's all.
okay. So the expansion of this have a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what we have to do, this irrational term should be equated with the 2ab. So please see, 4 root 3 you have to write in the form of 2 times something something something. So first of all you write 2, right? And then what other, see, first of all we can write 2. After, if you remove this 2, so you will have 2 root 3, right? So now you have to try yourself, hit and try. Can I, what I should, what we can take a and b. Can we take a as 2 root 3 and b as 1? So is it possible to get 13? See, 4 root 3 is already adjusted here, right? 4 root 3 we have already adjusted with the 2ab. So let me try that. If we take this complete thing as a and the other thing as b is 1, so please do 2 root 3 whole square and then 1 whole square. What do we get? So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 1. So perfectly we are getting 13. So it means we can write this 14 plus 4 root 3 directly as this is 2 root 3 plus 1 and then whole square. And if you take the square root, then square and square root will cancel out. So we'll get 2 root 3 plus 1. Are you getting this? Sure?
Yes, yeah.
So please try
Okay.
for the second one. Please see, this is based on your capability of adjustment. I have told you many times that mathematics is nothing but adjustment, right? We have to do the adjustment all the times. So okay, please try to solve this one now. We have to find the square root of 9 minus 4 root 2. So anyhow we have to write this one as a perfect square. So let me try. So first of all, I will equate this with the obviously minus 2ab. I will use here a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So I will equate this minus 2ab with the 4 root 2. Or you may think in this way, 4 root 2 you have to write as 2 times something. So if you take 2 as a multiplier, so you will have 2 root 2 additional, right? So now you have to do your hit and try. If you take this as a, and obviously if you take b as 1, this is the first possibility. So let us check. If you take 2 root 2 whole square and then plus 1 whole square, are you getting the 9? So 2 root 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Yeah, correct. So done. Have you understood how quickly we can solve?
Yes, yeah.
If you want, you can try any one of them, right? If you want, you can try any one of them just for your confirmation if you want. Otherwise, we can move to the other question.
Let me see. Let
Okay,
me
please try
just try
this
one.
question number 11. See, if for your practice, you can solve this question number 8, 9. This, okay, 8 and 9 is the simple one. From 10, 11, 12, you may have some little more complication here. So
Definitely.
you may try question number 8 or 9 first.
Keeping 2 minutes. Okay. Oh.
We have to discuss so many questions of different type based
Mhm.
on this concept, and this is
Okay.
exactly asked in your guideline.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to discuss in a very neat and clean manner so that you can get it easily. So question number 8 is find the value of this square root of 8 plus 2 root 15, right? So
Mm.
as per explanation, see, first of all, we have to try to write this 8 plus 2 root 15 as a perfect square, isn't it?
Yes.
So it can be written as a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So which one is
Mm-hmm.
applicable? It is decided by this positive sign. If it is
Yeah.
positive, so you have to adjust on a plus b whole square, otherwise a minus b whole square. Any doubt till
Yeah.
here? Now
No.
you will have two situations. Please
Mm.
see. The complexity of the question, will have two types here. In one of the case, see, with this irrational term, you will have this multiplier in which 2
Mm.
will be easily taken out. For example, this 4
Okay.
root 2, you can take 4 easily. This 2 root 15, you can take 2 easily. From this 10, you can have 2 easily. But please see this one. It is a 5. You cannot take 2 directly from here. Are you getting my point? See, this is
Yeah.
the 80. You can take 2 as it directly from here. From all the previous explanation questions, see, 4 is already present here. So from 4, we can take 2 easily. This one also, from 4, we can take 2 easily, as you can see here, right? This
Mm.
one, this one. But what will happen if I don't have 2 as a multiplier? That is the second type of question which we will discuss. Okay, right now this is a simple case because we have the
One
2.
second, sir. Sorry, just one small
Yeah.
second. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Mhm,
Just 1 second.
mhm.
Yes, sir. You were saying? Please continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a simple case right now, right? Because we have the 2 and okay. So we are going to adjust this on a plus b whole square whose expansion should be equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. See, your irrational term should be written in this way, 2 times ab. So my irrational terms is 2 root 15. So I will write exactly 2. See, you have to take 2 for sure because you want 2 times something. And obviously this rest is the 15. Now from this square root of 15, you have to find your a and b such that if you do the square and add them, you should get the 8. So now you have to do hit and try. Root 15, two factors of root 15. The first one you may have root 5 and root 3, isn't it? The second one, the second option you may have as root 15 and 1 also, isn't it? Any other
Mm.
factor? Any other factor which you can think for root 15? I think no, right? So
Yeah.
please try. If you consider this one as A, this is your hit and try. If you consider
Mm.
this one as B, so you have to check that for this setting, will you get a square plus b square as 8 or not? So please see, if you do the root 5 whole square, if you do the root 3 whole square, so obviously you are going to get 8. 5 plus 3, that's the 8. So this, this value, these values of a and b will satisfy here. If you do this one, so a square plus b square, so this is a root 15 whole square and then 1. So you will get the 16, but your question has 8 only. So are you getting that this substitution will work here? So you can write this under root. In place of this 8 plus 2 root 15, now I can write this is the root 5 plus root 3 whole square. You may verify. If you want, you may expand this. I am 100% sure that if you expand this, surely you will get this expression. You may check it mentally, you may check it verbally. See, a square plus b square. So a square is 5, b square is 3 plus 2ab. It means 2 times root 5 into root 3. That will be 2 root 15. Have you understood it? So now your square and square will cancel out. So you will get root 5 plus root 3. Have you understood it?
Mm-hmm.
Any doubt? I would like to
Um,
discuss. Yeah, any doubt?
no, I think this one I got. All these types of questions now I understand better. I think. Yeah.
I would like to discuss quickly this special case. What's the
Mm.
specialty here? If you don't have the 2 in this one, you cannot, write as a 2 factor here. So again, we have a little trick here. So please see, this is your question number 11, right? So
Mm.
see, question number 11, it is saying that if x is equals to 38 plus 5 root 3, so it is 38 plus 5 root 3. Then we have to find square root of x, right? Statement is the same, requirement is the same, but implementation is not same. Why? Because see, obviously we have to find the square root of 38 plus 5 root 3. So I will try to write it as a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. But if we equate this irrational term, I cannot write this 5 root 3 as 2 times something and something. If you are trying to do
Mhm.
adjustment in this way, okay, sir, if you have taken this 2 as a common, so I will write this way, see 5 over 2 and then root 3, isn't it?
Mhm.
See, this is 2 cancel out, so you are getting 5 root 3. But if you try to do this, if you take this as a, if you take this as b, so do you think that a square plus b square will satisfy your condition? I think no. If you take this 5 by 2 whole square and then this root 3 square, I don't think you will get the 38. See, 5 square is 25 over 4 plus 3, which is not equals to 38. You know why this is happening? Why this will not work? Let me explain. See, if you adjust this 5 root 3 by dividing something, 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 see, this 5 root 3 is also associated with 38. Are you getting my
Mhm.
point? So whatever the change you will do with the 5 root 3, the same change we have to do with the 38 also. Then only it will work. So let me explain what I'm trying to say. If you have this 38 plus 5 root 3, and you are saying that, sir, I don't have 2 as a multiplier in root 3. There's no any factor in multiplier of root 3, the coefficient of root 3. So that's why I want to multiply this with 2. The complete expression will get multiplied by 2. And for that adjustment, I will divide it by 2 also. Are you getting this? So now your
Mhm.
question will shift, change at, see, 38 into 2, that's a 76. So now you will have 76 plus 10 root 3 divided by 2. Now work on this. Are you getting my point?
Mhm.
Now we will
Mhm.
work on this. So this is 70. Are you getting?
Yes, 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 sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
I
70.
understand it.
Okay. So now we will work on this. So obviously it will be adjusted on a square plus b square plus 2ab. And for this, we have to equate with this 10 root 3. So 10 root 3, now I can think for 2 times 2 I have taken as a common. So I will have 5 root 3. Now I have to write two factors of 5 root 3 as a and b such that their square and addition will gives you 76. So the first you can take as 5 and root 3. The first one is 5 and root 3. So let me check. If you do a square plus b square, what you will get? So you will get 5 square plus root 3 square. So I don't think you will get 20. It is 25 plus 3. This is a 28. 28. 2.
Yeah. Um,
Hmm. Will it work? No. Any other factor? 5 root 3. No. Then any other option? Okay. What are the other options? So we can have other option as if we take 5 root 3 and 1, this will also factor, right? We have done this kind of situation. See, I have taken, for example, root 15 and 1. This is also two factors, right? So if you take 5 root 3 and 1, and then you check a square plus b square, so will it work? So 5 root 3 whole square and then plus 1 whole
uh-huh.
square. So 5 square, 25, 25 into 3, 75. So 75 plus 1, that is the 76. So this will work. So it means now that 76 plus 10 root 3 can be rewritten as, what are the factors? We have 5 root 3. So we can write as 5 root 3 plus 1 whole square. Are you getting this? So
Mhm.
now what will happen? So see, initially my question was we have to find a square root of 38 plus 5 root 3. So what we have done? We have done that 38 plus 5 root 3 into 2 into 2. Then the numerator after multiplication you got 76 plus 10 root 3 upon 2. Then we have done the perfect square form of this
Mhm.
one,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
it is, yeah, 5 root 3 plus 1 whole square, and in the denominator you have 2. See, now this denominator is problem for me. If I have to write this one also as a perfect square, then only I can come outside from the square root. So it's simple. You can write 5 root 3 plus 1 whole square, and the denominator can be written as root 2 whole square. So now you can write this square root of 5 root 3 plus 1 upon root 2 and then whole square. Now it can be cancelled out. So you will get 5 root 3 plus 1 upon root 2. This should be our answer. Have you understood it? This is a.
Yep, 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 yep. I see, I see. Because I think, yeah, I've seen something similar on these lines, but not exactly this. So that's why, yeah. Okay.
No problem.
Perfect,
So
perfect.
you must revise these things. I have some more variations in this kind of question, which we will discuss in the next class. These are already discussed in your guidelines. So please remember this. Okay.